Welcome to Trade Pro. Here's an update on the FTMO challenge account where I take the most viewed strategy video on all of YouTube and apply the strategy from it to the FTMO free challenge just to see how it performs and for fun. So I think it'll be cool to do this with a few strategies as it makes good content on my channel. It's pretty fun for me to do, and it's a good learning lesson for everyone. But anyway, that is some context on this video just for anyone who's worried that I actually am trading like this on the real FTMO challenge. Don't worry, that's what I'm doing. I'm not actually just trading this strategy on a real FTMO challenge account. This is not how I trade personally. Okay, just to get that out of the way for anyone who doesn't know what I'm doing here. But let's do the update now. So the account is actually down by $1,200, to be exact, $1,227.70, and there's been a lot of losses. So this one was an outright loss. This one only hit the first target. This one, I believe, only hit the first target. This one was an outright loss. Let's see, we got outright loss. This one hit both profit targets. That was the only time it hit both. This one outright loss. I believe this one hit just the first profit target. This one hit just the first profit target. So lots of outright losses. And the rest of the video will just be going over the actual trades as they happen. So you can see I actually took the trades. Not that this doesn't already show that, but just for anyone who wants to see me actually going in and doing it, I screen record each time I actually enter a position, and I explain what the setup is and everything, show the hourly time frame and the 5-minute time frame and everything, just to show that the criteria is being met for the trade entry. And yeah, last thing to say is just I did modify the strategy slightly, and that is that I did not put a 3-pip buffer above and below the entry like shown in this video. Okay, so I'm not trading it exactly like this video, but almost the same way, just without a 3-pip buffer on either side. But anyway, if you want to watch the rest of the video, it's just going to be showing each one of the trades that I've taken. Okay, so anyway, enjoy. All right, got 2 more trade entries, and this one just took off like crazy. So the first profit target already got hit. I already moved the stop to break even. You can see where I got in on this pullback into the EMAs on the 5-minute, and then it broke above this high right here. It got me into my entry. It already hit that first take profit, and looks like it is now coming back down. So we'll see if it reaches my second take profit target at 2 times risk. And then I'm in another position right now, so we're going to go check that one out. So this one is the other one I'm in. It was kind of weird with the entries because I was rushing to get my orders in. So you guys know if you trade that sometimes you kind of got to rush to get your orders in, but you can see the pullback into the EMAs and breaking this high. So anyway, if we go to the hourly time frame, you can see strong uptrend here. And then if we go back to the other trade where, let's see, which one was that? Australian dollar. Here it is. Just keeps being weird like that. Okay, so this one, look at that rejection. Well, it hit the first one and stops at break even. So, no worries about that one, but we can see that the hourly is in a strong uptrend as well, so that is a valid entry. But yeah, anyway, there it is. Looks like this one might be taken out here. We'll see how that plays out. But anyway, 2 more entries, and I'll update when something else happens. All right, quick update. The Aussie USD trade just got taken out. It was just that second half of the position left, so it did hit the first target. All right, so this one just got stopped out. It never reached the first take profit, so it's an outright loss of about 1.5% on the account. So the account is negative by a little bit now. And so far there have been 2 outright stop outs, 2 where it just hit the first take profit and then got stopped out, and then 1 where it actually reached both of the take profits. So that's where the account's at right now, and I'll update on the next position I see. All right, so the strategy is getting a bunch of outright stop outs. Here is the first one here. This one is on pound Japanese yen, and there was an entry up here, and it just kind of crumbled and came down, got stopped out, and that was an outright loss. You can see the hourly time frame agrees, so it was in a strong uptrend, and 5 minutes also strong uptrend, but got outright stopped out on that one. All right, so there's another entry. The spread just kind of put me in. Price never actually even went up to the buy stop, but you can see the pullback right here. And then on the hourly, nice uptrend. Price is above all the EMAs. And yeah, well, looks like it's coming right back down now, so might not end well for this position, but we will see. Now there's I think, what is that, 5 outright losses, 2 where it hit the first take profit and then got stopped out, and then only 1 where it hit both of the take profits. All right, got another potential setup here. You can see on the 5-minute chart there is a pullback into the EMAs on this candle right here, and that's why the stop is just below there. And if you count back 5 candles, this is the highest point, so buy stops are just above there. And the profit targets are in place on the hourly. You can see there's a strong uptrend, so everything is set up. We don't know, though, if this is actually going to get triggered in, but we'll see how it plays out. The account is hurting right now, so could definitely use a winning trade. All right, just got triggered into the trade entry, and we will see how it plays out. I'll update if there is any change. All right, so the first profit target got hit on the GJ trade and stops at break even. Looks like it's getting rejected now. So we'll see if that second profit target can get hit or if it's going to get stopped out with the rest of the position at break even. All right. So only the first profit target was hit, then the rest got stopped out at break even. All right, got 2 more pending entries here, one on euro dollar. So you can see I'm on the 5-minute, just had a pullback into the EMAs, and the hourly time frame is in fact in a downtrend as well. So valid setup here. We'll see how this plays out, or if I even get triggered into it. And then let's go over, what was the other one? Pound Swissy. Here it is. And yeah, same thing, pullback into EMAs, hourly shows downtrend, just started a downtrend on the hourly, but it is in fact crossed down. So it's a valid setup, and we'll see if I get triggered in. But anyway, we'll update if anything happens. All right, just got triggered in on this one, and we will see how it plays out. I'm still waiting on the EU trade to see if this one gets triggered in, but at the moment, we got 1 entry, and we will see if this really plays out. All right, just got triggered into another trade on Australian dollar USD, and the one on pound Swiss franc is almost hitting that first take profit where I'd move the stop to break even, but we'll see if it makes it there. But yeah, just a quick update on this one. Here's the hourly time frame. You can see it's in a downtrend. So criteria is met. Had the pullback right here on this bar was the trigger bar, so it stops right above this bar right here. And yep, we will see if this just gets stopped out or if it continues down. All right, first profit target just got hit on the pound Swissy, and moving the stop here to break even. Okay, so there it is. We'll see if the second profit target gets hit, and then the Aussie USD is just getting started here, so we'll see how that progresses. All right, so the second half of the position on the pound Swissy trade just got stopped out. So it was a break even stop out for that second half of the position. Only the first target got hit. All right, so just had an outright stop out on the Aussie US dollar trade. So that one is a complete loss, never hit either of the profit targets.